Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will basically tell you that how to develop a FFmpeg video editor inside Electron.js, which will be a simple desktop application. And I've basically developed this application. You will see that it has a renderer file and it's a main process. As you know, in Electron.js, there are global two processes, which is the actual main process which lives in the Node.js code, and this is the renderer process which lives in the HTML code. So we have used HTML, CSS, and actually JavaScript to build this application. So we have also bundled FFmpeg right here in the GUI itself. So if you don't have FFmpeg installed, you can still use this application. We have all the executables available inside the bin folder: FFmpeg, ffplay, and ffprobe. So first of all, the link is given, guys. You can directly purchase the full source code. After you purchase the source code, you will get a zip file from Google Drive. You just need to extract the zip file to actually get this directory structure. And the very first thing that you will do is that you will simply npm i. So this will actually install all the modules which are present in the package.json file, and then it will actually create a node modules folder. You can see this node modules folder in the left hand side. It will automatically create this folder, and that's all. So after you do this, you just need to run this application by invoking this command, which is npm run start. So as you execute this command, guys, Electron will start the application, and you will basically see this is the actual interface of the application. Here you need to drag your video. So whichever video you need to process, you need to simply drag and drop. So this is my video here. I will simply drag and drop. As you see, as I drag and drop, the video will play in the video player, and 7 minutes 30-second long video is this. You can just full screen as well, so the video player will play. This is the actual title of the video. It will load this information using the ffprobe library. It will get all this information, the path of the video, name of the video. You can even change that also, and then we can set the start time, end time, save the screenshot. If you want to get the thumbnail of the video, you can at any location in the video, you can click this button, save screenshot. It will take the screenshot of the video and save it as a PNG or JPG image. You can even remove the sound in the video, or you can change the resolution, create a GIF as well from this video, and you can also change the FPS as well. And by default, it will use the GPU. If you do have a built-in GPU, I do have a GPU installed in my system, so it will use that, and it will increase the speed of the FFmpeg command. And then you can even play with the speed of the video. You can change the speed of the video to half speed, normal speed, 2x faster, 4x faster, and then you can have a button right here to cut it. So first of all, guys, I will show you the functionality. If I play the video, you will see the video will play. So I can go to any location in the video. You can see the video is playing right here. So the very first thing I will show you, basically, let's suppose you want to cut the video from any location. So I will basically first of all set the starting point. So I want to set the starting point from 55 seconds. So I want to cut from this location. So I will simply click this button, set start time. So basically, as I click the button, this time has been automatically recorded. This is my start time, and now I want to move to any location to set my end time. So I want to trim the video between 55 second to 1. I want to trim this portion, which is 5 second. So from 55 second to 1 minute, I will now click this button, set end time. So it will basically record. It will trim for 5 seconds. So the length of the video will be 5 seconds. As you can see, this is the end time. I basically just click the button. As I just move in the video, I just click this button, and now you can basically cut this. You will also see a progress bar as well. So it will do the processing, and after that it will tell you the location of the video it has created. You will see my video has been created, and it will automatically open the location after it processes the video. If I open the video, you will see it will play for 5 seconds. So my video has been successfully trimmed for 5 seconds. You will see the length of the video is 5 seconds. We have successfully trimmed that portion. This is a really good application, desktop application. If you don't want to visit online websites, trim your videos, you can directly use this GUI application which is built in Electron.js, and you will get all the source code in the description. After you purchase it, you will get this FFmpeg library as well. If you don't have FFmpeg installed, I bundled this FFmpeg directly in the application itself. You will get this. And now let me show you some more features of this application. Let's suppose you want to, if you see, basically this file has been saved. uh, let's suppose you want to remove the sound as well. So I basically selected this. Again, let me select this location, 3.43 second. Let me set the start time. So it will calculate it in seconds. So the value that you are seeing right here, it is in seconds. So basically 3 minute 43 minutes. So we have actually converted that value into seconds. So automatically it has been in seconds. So now I will set the end time. So I want to trim the portion, this portion. I set end time. So the total length of the video will be 18 seconds. You will see. And now I want to also remove the sound of this portion. So I just basically remove sound, and that's all. So as I now do this, it will trim that portion and also remove the sound as well. So you will now get a new video. Basically it will now processing it. So it will open the video after it done processing. So just wait for the processing to finish. So you can apply multiple filters at one time, guys. You can remove video, sound as well. You can also trim the video as well. So you will see it has created that video, and now you will basically see no sound will be present. So no sound is there. The video length is 17 seconds and no sound is there. I turn my volume up, you will see that, but still no sound is playing. So in this way you can even remove the sound as well from the video as well by checking this portion, checking the checkbox right here. And let's suppose you want to also create a GIF. It's a special image. You can even do that also. Let's suppose I select a starting location. I don't want to remove the sound, so I will simply, okay, I want to remove the sound as well. So I will say I want to create a GIF from this starting location, so 60 seconds, and the ending, this I want to create a GIF for 5 seconds. So set end time. So this will be the length of the GIF right here. So cut it. So now it will trim that portion and convert that portion into a GIF file which will not contain any sound. So it is processing it. So just wait for the processing to. So it's nice to see this progress bar once it is there. So you will basically see the page will be if you open the location, you will basically see a GIF file has been created. If you see right here in this, you can open that and basically you will see that this is actually a GIF file which is there. The extension, you will see that GIF.gif. So it will loop through unlimited number of time. So we are actually basically cut that portion for, I think it's 12 seconds. So you can do this as well. You can even change the resolution of the video as well by clicking this portion as well. You can even change the video speed as well. Let's suppose 4x faster, the video will play faster. If you want to do this normal speed, so all these filters you can apply. And so this is a complete app, and now I will show you how I coded this app. It's very simple app to code. You will see the speed of the video will be very faster. How speedy the video is playing right here, you will see that. So You can do this processing, and now I will basically show you some of the code that I written. So this is the actual renderer file, and this is actual main process file. So main process file actually contain the actual code which is responsible for creating our Electron app. So this is actually the boilerplate code which is common in every Electron.js app. This is the actual main window that we see right here when we load the application, and we have binded this app. When the app is ready, we are basically creating a new window, new browser window, which is of the width and height that we provided, which is 124, height is 600, title is simple cutter, and we have basically set node integration context isolation to true and false, which is there. And here we are loading this index.html file when we load the Electron application, and we are loading it by the file protocol. And if you see, this is the file that we are using in the index.html. So this file we are loading it, and we are using a custom CSS for styling it. For showing the progress bar, we are using Bootstrap, Animate CSS. So all the CSS files are present in the CSS folder. You will basically see that, and you can see this is the actual interface where we drag and drop the video, and these are all the JavaScript code that is responsible. So this is the actual main logic file, renderer.js. It contains all the functionality, which is first function is combine video, second function is the load video function where we load the video, and then this is the cut video if you want to trim the video. So I will basically show you how I did this. And in the package.json file, the modules that we are using, guys, is we are using Fluent-FFMPEG, which is actually a library package in Node.js to actually make FFmpeg far more easier. If you don't know more about it, you can just go to the documentation and search for this module, which is Fluent-FFmpeg, and you can play with this library, which allows you to process videos using FFmpeg using this module. So 3 lakh downloads are there, you will see that. So now I will basically show you guys what I did right here. Some of the code that I will show you. If you are interested, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. So we have basically declared some variables right here at the top for the current video and the bitrate. And this is actually the function that we written. So let me just explain you. I don't want to waste your time, just want to explain you how I did this function. The first function is the combine videos function. So here the list of videos will be coming as an argument. So first of all, we are requiring the file system module, which is a built-in module, and then we are actually calling the start loading function that we defined later on to actually load the videos. So then we are basically simply in the build folder. So we have the resources folder in the, and inside that we have the folder called as ffmpeg, and then inside that we have the bin folder, and then we have the ffmpeg executable. So we are simply loading that and simply checking that if the file system exists. If this file exists, in that case, if the file doesn't exist because we put not sign, then simply set ffmpeg bin ffmpeg like this. If the file does exist, in that case we will require the Fluent-FFmpeg. For using this Fluent-FFmpeg, guys, you do need to require FFmpeg installed in your native system. That's why I bundle all FFmpeg native libraries in the app itself. So if you don't have FFmpeg installed, you can still use this application. And then we can simply set FFmpeg path to bin, and then the merged name, calculate name. We basically will be calculating the name which will be given by the user, and then the command. So this will be a simple command, guys, to actually merge the. So for merging different videos, multiple videos, we will first of all require the path module of Node.js and dir name. So dir name will be simply the path here, which is videos path. If you see here, let me paste it. Cut. This is actual path, and after that, here we will simply check that if this path doesn't exist, then we need to create this file, make the directory. So this directory will be automatically created, guys, which is the cut directory in the root directory. So if I basically process any video, this directory will first of all get created automatically in the root directory, and then after that it will automatically get deleted as well. So after you do this, we simply need to say output path, out path. We need to declare this variable and concatenate this merged name, and then we will simply use a for loop, and then we will loop through each video. For each video, what we will do, we will simply get the path here by using f.path, and we will simply say that if command is nothing, then we will simply say command is equal to ffmpeg path, else command input path. So then we have various events which we can listen in Fluent-FFMPEG. You can read the documentation. If any sort of error take place, then we can simply console log message that an error occurred. You can call this to end loading function, which will hide the progress bar. And also we can chain these methods, various events. If the processing is done, in that case this function will automatically execute, and here we can simply show merging finished, and here we can basically require the shell from the Electron base library, and then we can open the video in the folder show item in folder. This is that function we will use, and open the output path. So what this line will do, after merging, after processing the video, it will automatically open the location where the video is created, so that the user can clearly see the video processed. This function is responsible for that, and then we can hide the progress bar by invoking this function, and then we can simply here target our video to actually reset. So HTML, and here we can simply show a message to the user right in the template, which is finished. So this is basically, here we are targeting it's by ID name, so what we have given. So we have simply showing all these options: merged name, output path, all these values. So in this way, guys, I basically coded this application. You can basically find all the source code in the description. After that, you will get a zip file which will actually contain all the source code. First of all, what we need to do, you just need to npmi to actually install all the modules which are present in package.json. It will then create a Node.js node modules folder, and then you need to start your application by running npm run start. So this will start your Electron app. So here you can drag your drop your video, whichever video you need to process, and then you can do this. So it's a fully fledged video editor that I'm giving you. The link is given. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.